What's up guys, Intelitech Studios here, and this video will just be a super quick unboxing video, just because I don't want to do any too crazy of a video, just because I'm not feeling very well today. So I want to try to at least get something out there. So this arrived today. It's a little package. This isn't even, hold on. So this package arrived today. It's not really an easy way I can think of to open this, so we just have to cut it. And, hopefully that should be good to get into it. Well, maybe not. Find some way to tear it open in some way. Well, it is taped shut. Grab this knife. And oh great, the box is messed up. This is inside a box, or it's still in the original box, which is nice, but it looks like the box had some shipping damage, because of course it did, and I almost just stabbed myself. That would not have been good. Okay, pull this open and pull this bag off. Slide this off. There we go. And we can see that this box is thoroughly crushed. But it's not as bad as I thought it was. But yeah, so here it is. You can see it's got some blemishes right there, but it's not in horrible condition. It's a little bit kind of compressed in. It's got a little hole, but it's not as bad as I thought it was, considering how badly it was shoved inside my door. But we can see there, this is the Fantom hose extension. Extends the reach of your Fantom vacuum cleaning wand to 17 feet. And of course it extends the hose as well. Obviously you can use it just by itself, or you can use it with the wand, so that's cool. Anyways, so this is the Fantom hose extension, and this is really hard to film for some reason. I should have did this a little bit differently. I'll just balance this on my leg. There we go, that'll work. Just balance this in between my legs. Let's see. Fantom hose extension. So this is still in the box. Fits all 10 amp Fantom Fury vacuums, 12 amp Fantom Thunder vacuums, and 11 amp Fantom vacuums. So apparently it doesn't fit the 9 amp Fantom vacuums, and it doesn't fit the 12 amp Fantom Furies. So it also says that it fits the Cyclone XT, which kind of confused me, because did the Cyclone XT come out before the 12 amp Fury did? Or did the 12 amp Fury come out after the Cyclone XT? It seems like the latter apparently is true based off this packaging, because it doesn't mention the 12 amp Fury, it just mentions the 10 amp Fury. Anyways, I do have a 10 amp Fury, and I have a 12 amp Thunder, and I also have a 12 amp Fury, which I'm assuming this will work with as well. So, it extends the reach of the Fantom vacuum cleaning wand to 17 feet. So it pretty much extends it to about the same length as maybe like a Dyson DC-14 would out of the box. And it looks like it's the same on the other side on the box. Stretches to a length of 7 feet. Easy to install. Instructions inside box. Then we look on the side. We have the Fantom logo. Some sort of vendor barcode, and of course we have on the side all that as well. I want to see if there's any sort of serial date on this. I don't think there is. Oh, I see. Here we go. So we can see over here. Sorry for the light. Fantom hose extension. Fantom Technologies Incorporated. Dual cyclonic design is a trademark of Fantom Technologies. Well, not quite. Product of the United States, assembled in the United States, and/or Canadian components. Package printed in Canada. It's copyright 1997 Fantom Technologies Incorporated. So this is from 1997. And it mentions the Cyclone XT. Did the Cyclone XT come out in 97? I didn't think the XT came out until like 2000. But guess I was wrong. So I guess we'll open this. The thing is, this is still sealed. Well, then again, no, this hasn't. This has been resealed. This isn't new. This was sold as new, and it's been resealed. Huh? That's interesting. Kind of odd. Where did I put that knife I just had? Oh, here we go. So we'll cut this opening. If I can get this to slide in here. There we go. Nice and smooth opening action. Open this up. And there's a hose, which is exactly what we want. Okay. So here's the extension hose. It's nice and yeah, it's a little bit dusty, but it looks like it'll do the trick. Haven't had one of these in a while. Last time I had one was when I had my Fantom Domestic, so it wasn't even a Thunder. Although I did have the black version, I did have this version, I didn't have the white extension hose. But there's no kinks in it, there's no holes that I can see. It looks pretty much brand new. So that looks good. And it said there's also a manual in here. Probably pretty self-explanatory. It's just an extension hose. There's not a whole lot about it. But I do love all this old Fantom literature and packaging. But yeah, look at that. Shows the hose extension. Attaching it to the wand and to the hose. You can read all that. Copyright 1997 Fantom Technologies. Same sort of trademark stamps you see on the box. Lovely Fantom logo. This is very fresh. Oh, wow. This smells like... It smells like the 90s. It smells like the 90s. Wow. This is over 20 years old at this point. That's pretty fancy. This is in really good condition. But yeah, so this is the extension hose. Let me just look through this, see if there's no clogs in this. Yeah, shouldn't be. Should be new. So there's the end that the attachments in the wand attached to. And this is the end that goes into the hose. Pretty simple. And that's about it. So there's really not much else to show on this. It's a pretty decently sized extension hose. Of course, you could buy two of these and get even more reach. But yeah. Tiny little bit of dust in it, but nothing too major. But yeah, so that was the unboxing of the Fantom vacuum hose extension. Designed for the Thunder, Fury, Domestic, Cyclone XT. I don't see why it wouldn't also work on the crosswind and all that stuff. Again, just detach the wand. Unless there's something I'm missing, unless those use a different mechanism. I don't think they do, but maybe they do. And I think the Lightning does. I think the Lightning does use a different connector, so I don't think this will work with the Lightning. But it would work with the Thunder, the Fury, the Cyclone XT, all that good stuff. But yeah, so that's my quick unboxing of the Fantom hose extension. Still sealed in the box. Still brand new. Still has, honestly, I think this little literature thing is the most exciting thing. It's only one page, though. It's pretty thick paper, though. It's pretty good quality. Nothing on the back. So this is all you see when you open it up. But yeah, So that's the Fantom hose extension. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Super quick video, not too exciting. I understand this probably isn't the most interesting thing in the world to every collector, but I love this old Fantom stuff. So considering I got this for like 10-15 bucks on eBay with shipping, I had to pick it up. So since there were plenty of other extension hoses, but none of them were in the box, this one was in the box, so I grabbed this one, and I'm happy I did. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. I also bought another brush roll for the Fury. I have that. That's over. It's sitting on top of the Xboxes right now. So I do have another Fury brush roll as well, which will be good. I have a spare brush roll for that since brush rolls are really hard to find. So I've got some Fantom parts, and so that'll come in handy. So anyways, this is Intelitech Studios signing out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Again, sorry this video wasn't the most exciting thing in the world, but hopefully you found it interesting, and hopefully you got some enjoyment out of it. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.